Okay, guys, in this video, we'll look at the last example of solving a linear inequality. And this time is just y greater than -4. Okay, so the first thing we do is decide, is it going to be a solid line or a dashed line? So it is going to be dashed because my inequality is not strict. So what does that mean? So if the inequality is less or more, that means the line is going to be dashed because the boundary will not be included. But if it's less than or equal to or greater than or equal to, that's going to be solid, okay? Because the line going to be included. So for me, again, I have to switch to dashed. Then I look at the boundary. So the boundary here is going to be when make that inequality equality. So instead of y greater than -4, make it equal to -4. And hopefully you do recognize that this is a special kind of line. What is a line that has equation y equals something? So y, remember, is responsible for moving up or down. And in this case, your y is -4. You cannot move up or down. It's going to be the same. Y is -4, okay? That's a horizontal line. So my boundary is going to be y equal -4. So I can just pick any 2 points as long as y equals -4. That's going to be my answer. Now, here I got to decide, do I shade above this line or below this line? Well, I have to pick a test point. And 0, 0 would be a good test point to make, so to pick. Because if I pick it, and I can't pick it because it's not on the boundary, it's right here. If this inequality works, then I will shade the part that does have that point. If it doesn't, then I will shade the other part. Okay, so let's take 0, 0. And let's plug that into our inequality. Notice how it doesn't even have an x, it only has a y. So y equals 0. Is that greater than -4? Well, yes, 0 is greater than -4. So that means I'm going to shade the portion that has that red point as part of it. So that's this. I just have to place a point there somewhere.